So for the next step, which is step 3, I'm going to show you how to draw a local section. It is very important that you read the question paper, and it says here, draw the plan view in the third angle projection, and that's what we did. We added a cutting plane as well, and we are required to include a local section showing the diameter 5 mm hole. So you need to highlight this during the test, okay, or circle it so that you can remind yourself to choose and to look out for the 5 mm hole to which you have to do your local section. And the following hatching information is to be used, so you cannot be confused with the one that has the spacing of 6 millimeters. Alright, spacing is 2 millimeters and the angle is 45 degrees. So let's get back to our CAD drawing, and this is the 5 millimeter hole over here. Okay, now the very first thing, of course, in the local section is you can convert these into outline, because these will be made visible already. Right, then after this, press escape. After this, you go to the hatch line layer, okay, and you start drawing on your you click on the spline under the polyline. Okay, let me get back to it. You click under the draw, you click the spline, right, and you will want to click somewhere in this region here, and what happens is that the problem is you're always snapping to the center or snapping to the nearest intersection. So what you need to do is press Ctrl right click and choose nearest, which is right at the bottom over there. Okay, and what will happen is that the green colored double opposing triangles will appear, and that will help you snap to the nearest feature or line or element, and that's what you want to do. Okay, so you do a zigzag pattern. Okay, it doesn't really matter if it's not perfect, and this is good enough, right? But if you want to do one more, that's okay as well. And what you need to do is you press Ctrl right click again, choose the nearest, and you snap to the top. Okay, now you'll be tempted to click or press escape or whatever, but you need to hit enter instead. When you hit enter, it ends the whole command, and your squiggly line or your irregular line is created. Okay, so you repeat it again for the other side, right? Control right click, snap to nearest, choose this point, and then you zigzag your way through. Okay, somewhere around here, control right click, choose nearest, and select this point, then you press enter. Okay, now once it's like this, you are ready to do your hatching. So you need to go to the hatch icon that's over here. It says hatch, and you will choose the user defined pattern. You will select the angle of 45 degrees and the spacing according to the question that, or the requirement, is 2 millimeters. Then you come over here and you select the regions that you need to hash. Then this is your local section. Okay, this is good enough to create your local section. Okay, control yourself, don't make it too overly big. In fact, I feel that this is a little bit big. I should maybe have made it a little bit smaller just to show, but this is fine, right? Looking forward to see you again in step 4. See you then.